Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I have, yes you guys, yes, another haul. Looks like, okay, every time you turn around she always shopping for a new something, but it's only because I pre-film a lot of stuff, and then when I go and upload it, it looks like, okay, she's shopping back to back, but in reality I'm not. It's just the way I upload my videos. That being said, you guys, if y'all want to see all of this that I got over here on the side of me, then please keep watching. And I've been shopping on the Coach Outlet website. I went to my local mall here in Georgia, and I picked up a few things, and I was so excited to pick up these things, so I had to share with you guys. The last item I'm going to save for last, because y'all, I cannot believe I found this particular item for this price, you guys. So that right there I'm going to save for last. I was going to do it in its own video, but by it only being one thing, I was like, okay, I can just combine this and make this out to be a collective haul. Dillard's, and I went into Dillard's because I was going to go look at their handbag, and I didn't know they had like a whole makeup section in the Dillard's that I went to, because I don't even go in Dillard's, you guys. No rhyme or reason, but I just don't go into Dillard's. And look, you guys, I found this oh my gosh, OMG headband, and I remember looking at this on the Sephora, I mean not Sephora, the Ulta website, and they don't offer free shipping. So I was like, okay, do I want to pay the $8 or $10 for this and pay shipping? I just didn't want to, so it just sat in my cart. And I went into Dillard's. I found this for $5.60, and I was like, oh my goodness, like I wasn't even looking. Like I said, I went into Dillard's wanting to look at their handbags. One of my lovely subscribers had mentioned to me that they found one of the Coach Casey bags. I think she said it was at Dillard's, and she paid like $100 and something. So I was like, let me go on and browse through Dillard's to see if I can see any Coach bags or whatever. But for some reason at my particular Dillard's, they didn't have any Coach bags. So I ended up finding this. So I'm glad I went into the Dillard's store, because like I said, I was able to find this. I was just like, oh my goodness. Like, I can't think of her name, but she wears this when she do her makeup tutorials. And when she wore that, every time she wear, I was like, oh my gosh, where'd she get this from? And I think she linked it. And like I said, when I pulled it up, it was from Ulta. And my cheek behind didn't want to pay the shipping, because I'm like, Dad, this is only $8 or $10, and I got to pay about $6 in shipping. So I was just so excited to find this particular headband, you guys. So now, when I do my makeup, I can put this on, because I haven't been doing makeup tutorials on my channel because they really don't do that good. I like doing makeup, so I will be doing some more makeup tutorials soon. Not sure if I should start my a new channel just doing makeup, or should I just keep it on here? So let me know what y'all think I should do. Should I keep it here on my channel, or should I just start a whole new channel and just, you know, make that my makeup tutorial and makeup hauls and all of that type of thing? Because I do like makeup, but I have been kind of slowing down with the purchasing of makeup, only because, you know, I've been dipping and dabbing in Coach now. So I was like, okay, we're gonna put the makeup to the side, because if you don't already know, I have enough makeup that I'll be fine if I don't purchase makeup for a while. Yeah, you guys, I was super excited to find this. So again, let me know if y'all think I should start a new makeup channel, or should I just keep it here all together, because I don't know what to do. Like I say, when I put them up, they don't really do that good, but again, I like doing makeup. So I went to TJMaxx, and I found this Too Faced sketch marker, and this is what I'm wearing on my eyes. I don't even know where I put it at. Oh, here it is. So yeah, like I said, I found this, and this here was $4.99. And you know, when this was, I think it's still at Sephora and on the Too Faced website, and of course y'all know it's not $4.99. So I was like, okay, a win. Y'all know I love my TJMaxx, because child, you can find some good stuff. And then this here I was really excited for, because this is one of the Marc Jacob eyeshadows, and this is in, I don't know if it's Omega or just Mega, and this here was $7.99. and I think these here are actually on the Sephora website, and they are on the website for like $40. So here is your shadow. It comes in like this, you know, the standard Marc Jacob packaging. So here is your color. I just thought, let me swatch it. I just thought that would be a nice pretty not summer but winter color. Not sure if you can see it. The thing with single shadows, sometimes I forget I have them, because like I'll grab a palette and do my whole look and be like, shoot, I forgot to grab that single palette. So maybe if I stick this here on my makeup area and notice that it's sitting there when I'm ready to do a makeup look, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use this as my all over shadow and then grab some, you know, crease color. So yeah, you guys, I got that from Tjmaxx, and like I said, it was $7.99. And then I also grabbed a few lashes, and this is by the Cream Shop. These here were the 3D lashes, and these here were $4.99. And I just got some because I had some lashes that I was wearing all the time, and I left them in my bathroom, and for some reason I forgot, so they ended up on the floor on the bottom of my feet, so I had to throw them away. But yeah, and then I also got these Eyelure by Jasmine Brown. I think she's a YouTuber or something, but these here were $3.99, and you know, at Ulta I think they were like $7.99 or a little more than that, but I know they weren't $3.99. So yeah, that was everything that I got from Tjmaxx. And then I also went to Sephora because Rihanna came out with some new lip products, so of course, you know, your girl had to go grab some. I will do a lip swatch in a separate video, so again, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on that. I did purchase her lip gloss set, of course, because y'all know I'm a lip gloss, lipstick, lip whatever junkie. So this here was, I think, 42. Yeah, this here was $42. It comes with a set of 5 lip glosses, and one of the lip glosses I already have, which is the what is it, High Gloss or something, and it's like in a tin can. So here are your colors. I am going to swatch it for you guys so y'all can see how it looks on my lips and my skin tone. This just came out, like I said, it's by Rihanna. And then last but not least, I did get one of her lip stunners, and this is the little version, and this here is in the color, yeah, I got that, and that was $15, and it was $15. I got that from Sephora. Last but not least, y'all, like, yeah, take a minute, because I'm telling you, I'm gonna blow y'all minds in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 seconds. Like, so this item came from Macy's. What did I go on Macy's for? Again, I went into Macy's because I was looking at their Coach bags. I was like, okay, let me see. And then I saw a sign that said, you know, 40% off. And they had one of these particular bags that I was eyeing on the Dillard's website. Now, the Dillard's website had this particular bag on sale, but it's in the color like a sky blue, and I really wasn't 100% about that blue. I wasn't 100% sold on a blue, like a sky blue type of bag. So I was like, okay. And then this bag retails for $3.75. So on Dillard's website, it was $2.37. I was like, I said, Tamika, no, stop trying to, you know, convince yourself to purchase something just because it's on sale. And if it's not the color you love, and don't purchase it. And I'm glad I didn't, you guys, because I went into Macy's, and if y'all don't know, it is the Coach Charlie bag. Here is the bag, and this here wasn't a particular cut. This here wasn't one of the colors that I was looking to purchase. Particular bag, but y'all, when I tell y'all how much I paid for it, you be like, okay, I see why you got it, Miss Tamika. Okay, so like I was saying, the bag was $142 on display, on sale. Let me get the tag. And then not only that, it also came with a dust bag. And I was like, okay. I told y'all yesterday, I was just like, I was just so happy yesterday. Like, this made my day yesterday, because I was just like, it was meant for me to get this bag. And like I said, I wanted the bag in the black or the tan, but again, it was $3.75. So I was like, okay, I don't need to spend that much money on a bag like that right now. Coach eventually goes on sale like Henry Bendel. And I learned the hard way with Henry Bendel. I was buying full price stuff, and then after a few weeks it's on sale. So like I said, this bag was original price was $375, and it was on sale for $146. And I was like, okay, that's still a good price because of the fact that it was $375. So I was gonna pay $146. So I goes to the mall, and I was like, okay, I want to go ahead and purchase the bag. Now, when she pulled out this slip and scanned the card, it came up to, wait for it, it came up to be $86.96 before taxes. I had to hold myself, like, because I was just like, oh my God. Like, I didn't want to get too excited for her to be like, okay, let me double check. You know, I was just like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Like, I looked at the reader where it tells you how much it costs where you insert your card. I was like, oh my God, is that right? Because I was like, $146 I thought was a good price. Because like I said, it's on Dillard's on sale for $237 for the blue color. So this here is not even on the Macy's website for you to even purchase. So I was just like, OMG. She said $89.96 with the tax. It came up to $93. Hold up. I ain't know Stonecrest Mall taxes are. Hold up. I didn't know the Stonecrest Mall up here is the taxes are 8%. That's down there Georgia taxes. I mean Lenox Mall taxes. I didn't know that. I thought it was like 7%. But anyway, you guys, it came up to $93.92. You see why I'm always buying something? Because I could not. When I tell you I couldn't leave this in the store, I'm sorry, I couldn't leave it in the store. The color is better than that blue to me, in my opinion. Like, I would prefer this color than that blue. Like, look at this, you guys. And it doesn't look like it's a return item. I mean, I don't know, I could be wrong, but everything, the little stuff that was supposed to be covered was covered. I said the dust bag is still folded up really nice. Because sometimes when I purchase something from Macy's, you don't even get a dust bag. And I just couldn't believe it. I was just like, oh my goodness. But I was like, Tamika, for the price you got it for, it is not worth returning. So this bag here is going to stay in my collection unless I sell it on Poshmark. I don't think I will, but I don't know. But you guys, I could not believe it. Like, look, the Charlie Bucket bag, that's what it is. I was just like, I couldn't believe it, you guys. Like, oh my goodness. Yesterday was jackpot city for me. And if y'all don't believe me, here is the price. Let me make sure it's not getting my credit card information. But look. So hopefully you can see it. So yesterday was like a OMG moment. Like, I got this here on sale, and I wasn't even looking to purchase this. And I got this for $5 and got this bag for $89. And like I said, the bag retails for $375. Like, here, look. Look, I'm gonna look at the bag a little more, but when I was looking at it in the store, I didn't see nothing, because I'm like, for it to be that cheap, you know, was something wrong with it? But it doesn't. It looks perfect. It looks like it wasn't never sold or anything. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the color, because you know it's like more like a summer color. But you know me, if y'all don't know me by now, it don't matter. I'll wear white, pink, whatever, and don't care about this whole winter type thing, because I can still wear this in the winter time. I'm sorry, like I can. Guys, I cannot wait to do what fits in the bag, how it looks on my body, how it looks crossbody, because it also comes with your extra strap. Purchase a clutch from the Coach outlet, so that's what I'll be carrying here in this bag, you guys. My goodness. Now this bag doesn't have a inside zipper, because that's how these bags are made, and it do have your two little things here, and you just do this to close them, like to close your bag, like right here, this little separate lock. So that's how you can close the bag, so you don't have to worry about, you know, your stuff falling out or whatever the case is. And You guys, again, this is not my particular type of bag that I would gravitate to, because again, I like what I like, but lately I've been, getting out of my comfort zone and getting bags that, that's really cute. Getting different types of bags, and I'm starting to really fall in love with it. So like I said, I wasn't even in the market to purchase this bag, because like I said, I went to Stonecrest Mall to purchase the Fenty stuff. When I saw this price, I just couldn't believe it, you guys. Like I said, $146 was still a good price, and when she said $89, girl, I almost fell to the floor. Now I'm thinking, okay, if I see stuff if I see stuff on Macy's.com website, maybe I need to go into the store first to double check, because this is not even on the Macy's website. Yeah, you guys, I hit the jackpot, And so, I love to share. So, just in case y'all have Macy's and those type of stores around your way where you can maybe go in, if you see like items on sale, far as Coach, double check the price, because I didn't double check the price. I just grabbed the tag out the bag, saw that it was $146, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go and purchase the bag. $146 was still a good price, because like I said before, it's on Dillard's website for $237, and that's the blue. This color here, I would prefer to have this over blue. I don't know, for some reason that blue just wasn't my thing, you guys. That's it. You already saw this outfit in one of my previous videos, but like I said before, I pre-filmed, so I didn't feel like changing my outfit because I ended up liking my sweater with the necklace. And I don't normally wear costume jewelry. If y'all, I don't normally wear costume jewelry, but I wanted something to, put over top of this sweater. Woo! I just can't believe it. And then I also have another haul coming up. Subscribe to my channel so y'all don't miss out on my hauls, because y'all never know what I may purchase, what I may get at a decent price, or whatever the case is. Let me know down in the comment section if y'all have this particular bag. This is the Charlie bucket bag, I think. If y'all have the bag and if y'all loving it or whatever, and let me know, would y'all have purchased this bag for $89, even though it's this particular color and this color is out of season? Let me know, because like I said, it doesn't matter to me. For $89, it could have been white, and I think I still would have purchased it, because it could have been like I would have probably used it as a winter white type of bag. That's it. So if you like these types of videos, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye. Bye.